Hey there, fellow nostalgia lovers. Today, we're going to talk about a beloved show that many of us miss dearly, Man Seeking Woman. But first, let me tell you about the free guide I mentioned in my last video, which has helped countless individuals date any girl they desire, regardless of their background or status. If you're new here or haven't seen my previous videos, make sure to check out this guide and sign up for my newsletter to stay updated on all the latest content. Now, back to Man Seeking Woman. This show was a hilarious, heartwarming journey through the world of modern dating, full of fantastical creatures and scenarios. From epic battles to unexpected encounters with odd characters, each episode was a delightful roller coaster of emotions. And let's not forget those unforgettable characters. They truly made the show what it was. Unfortunately, Man Seeking Woman has come to an end, but it will forever hold a special place in our hearts and memories. So let's take a moment to reminisce and appreciate this fantastic show that brought us so much joy and laughter. Thanks for joining me on this trip down memory lane. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, don't forget to follow and subscribe. And remember, if you're looking for help with dating or just need some entertaining content in your life, sign up for my newsletter and check out my other videos. Until next time.